The attack is a digital fire training system, which combines digital flames, smoke, and sound to create realistic training scenarios. Tough enough to handle any hose line in your arsenal, the attack is designed to diminish with proper hose line technique. In addition, you have the ability to create realistic fire scenarios in situations where live fire may not be a possibility. With the attack, training is complete when your trainee has mastered the skill, not when the fuel has been diminished. The attack system is a very flexible training platform. Not only are you able to train with your firefighters on proper hose line technique in situations where live fire may not be a possibility, it also gives you the ability to train in a fire prevention mode as well. If you don't meet NFPA requirements for conducting a live burn, the attack gives you the ability to train and practice these fundamental techniques. If you're unable to flow water during your training evolution, you can utilize our digital nozzle. This is an actual Task Force Tips fog pattern nozzle that we add our digital technology into. Now you're able to conduct training in areas where water may not be an option. This nozzle can be attached to a weighted hose line as well. Now you can train on basic hose line techniques in facilities such as hospitals, high schools, and large manufacturing facilities where flowing water may not be an option. You can also use this for fire prevention and training on the simple pass technique by utilizing a water can or a laser fire extinguisher. Whether you're using an actual hose line or our digital nozzle with weighted line, you're able to instantly stop the training evolution and provide feedback on improper technique. Now you can move the fire around and not be stuck in one room of your burn tower. The panel will take up to a 2.5-inch smoothbore nozzle without any damage to the panel. You can hook the panel up to a canvas bag and fill it with 40 gallons of water, which will provide 400 pounds to hold this panel in place. You also have the ability to attach the panel to a wall mount so that you may conduct training in a different scenario. The attack is safe enough for you to use with your new recruits to teach them mass confidence without the risk of exposing them to live fire and zero visibility conditions. The attack works wirelessly with our waterproof case and smoke machine, so there's no mess or cleanup once the training is complete. The attack connects wirelessly to our smoke generator to automatically turn on, and once the training scenario is complete, turn off. The attack also connects wirelessly to other attack panels. You'd have the ability to create either a larger seat of fire or multiple fires within your training evolution. You can also hardwire the attack to multiple panels so you can have one larger seat of fire. The attack comes with a startup remote. However, you are able to utilize our industrial remote. This is a backlit remote that vibrates when it responds to your touch. You're also able to utilize this with a gloved hand.